Hey everybody, welcome back to the Austin Lindsay channel. So a lot of people ask how my photo shoots come about. A lot of it's pretty random. This particular one was because the model posted about giving away a chaise lounge she had because she was moving, and I was like, this would be awesome to use in a photo shoot or to have for photo shoots. And she's like, yeah, come pick it up. And I was like, well, when I pick it up, let's just do a photo shoot. And so we just kind of set that all up, and that's how this one came about. Crazy enough, when I got there, I forgot to set up the GoPro to do a behind the scenes of the actual chaise lounge shoot. So I'm just going to put up some images real quick, kind of explain how I lit them, and then I'll put in the GoPro footage of the other shots we got. Alright, this one is the chaise lounge shot. This one is a 2-light setup. Our key light is a Explorer 400 Pro that has a roughly 15 by 15 inch softbox on it. It just has the outer diffuser or baffle on it. And then the light on the wall, there was a lamp there that I ended up cropping out because it looked kind of funky, but it is just a Evolve 200 Pro with a kind of orange gel in it to kind of create that lamp light that I ended up cropping out. So just a 2-light setup on this outfit. Alright, so this look has 3 lights in it, well 4 if you count that lamp on the table, the nightstand by her. There's the key light, which is a 200 Pro with an umbrella on it, and then off to camera left, or the left side of your screen, you'll see a V860 version 2. That light was kind of more of an experimental light, so I turned it on for a little bit just to see what it looked like to have some fill light on her right side of her face. You'll see the first image I put up is without that strobe on, and then the second one does have it on, so there's a little bit of a fill light you'll notice in the face just from bouncing off the wall. And then in the very back, which you can't see, there's another speed light. I think it's like a V850 version 2, just a normal Godox speed light. And that has kind of an orange gel on it, like a CTO quarter I believe it is. And that's just kind of filling out the back there, because otherwise it would just fall into pitch black, and then that kind of draws your eye a little more to a pitch black area than it would if you put some light back there to kind of just even out the tonality of the image. Here is the final image. This one is with the speed light off, the one that was bouncing against the wall. This one's off. And then you can also see, if you look past the lamp on the nightstand at that wall, there's a little bit of orangish glow there. If I hadn't put that light back there, it would just be solid black, and that would just draw the eye there too much. And this second one is the same thing basically, but this one has the speed light bouncing off the wall turned on. So, and then this other look kind of blended in from the red bodysuit look, and in keeping with kind of her place's sort of like fairy tale looking style, or grandma style if you want to call it that as well. We decided to do just kind of some pink lingerie. We had like this flowing kind of shawl looking thing, and then we had her holding a book, just kind of reading by lamplight. Kind of gives this kind of nice little fairy tale-esque look. And all the lighting is basically the same in this one. You have your key light, your strobe bouncing off the wall. This one I used the strobe on the wall more on this look than I did on the first red bodysuit look. And then I still have the light in the very back bouncing off the wall back there to kind of still fill in that black space. She also had this red kind of fancy chair, so we wanted to try something using that somehow. We did a couple of different poses like sitting and stuff, but we ended up just kind of having her stand next to it, and then using the curtain / the wall as kind of like a background a little bit. So for lighting on this one, it looks like there's a lot of stuff going on. There's only 2 lights being used, all those 3 in the shot here. The umbrella is basically my main light, and that's a 400 Pro in that umbrella, and then off to on the camera left side is another 400 Pro, as you can see, that has a 15 by 15 softbox on it. That's just the same as the very first one. It's single diffused on the outside, and that one's just providing a little bit of a fill light. So those are just the 2 lights used in this shot. And then finally we did a look that was kind of a 70s style look. She had this cool 70s chair in there, and then like a 70s leopard print bodysuit. So this one has 3 lights. You have your main key light on camera right. It's the 400 Pro with the softbox on it. Same single diffusion on the outer diffusion. I have a 200 Pro, and that's got a yellow gel on there that's shining onto the wall, just kind of bouncing, giving the whole image a kind of a little bit of a yellow feel, or a yellow look to it. And then I have a V8 60 version 2 speed light, and that's just kind of shining on her, giving her a little bit of a rim light. Alright everyone, hopefully you found that entertaining or informative. Maybe share this with a friend, another photographer, if they're interested in lighting setups and things like that. If you guys do have any questions, leave them in the comments field and I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks everyone for watching.